Guys, welcome back to this channel. New viewers and old viewers, this is a headlight restore. I already prepped it already, guys. Its light wasn't too bad, so I use this scratch bonnet and just wipe it and make sure you get a little wiping good. If it's not too bad, then if you have to use a sandpaper like 500 to like 1,800. I mean, it varies about what your light is all about, guys. So let me show you the left side, which I did already one day. Then this one turned white after you wipe it nicely. So I'm gonna show you how to bring this back with the spray. Alright guys, so if you're new to my channel and I leave this in the sun a little bit because it was kind of cold, don't spray when your can is cold, guys, as you won't get a good outcome. You wait for the sun if you're doing outside, and then you could get it done nicely with the heat. Alright guys, so I clean it properly and I'm gonna add the clear coat. Just look at this, guys. You see them, guys? And that's only one. See it start coming in, guys. Very nice, see? And I'm gonna put one more coat on it, and that's gonna finish the job for the. You don't want to put too much because the light wasn't too bad, and then gonna make it like this. So look at this one. Look how the outcome already, guys. You can see the difference for yourself. Look at that. So I'm gonna put one more rung. I make sure to get the edges because it's important. All right, guys. So I'm getting the edges first. And then I'm going on top of the light and make sure I get the rest. Guys, you don't want to do it too much and let it run, guys. So I mean, that's better than how it was. Guys, and if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. And this is the product I'm using, just a normal clear coat can. Get it done fast, get it quick, no complication, easy to do. And if I could do it at home, you could do it at home too. And guys, don't forget, consider subscribing to my channel, so when I bring any new content, you'll be the first to see. Alright guys, very, very nice, and I'm out. If you have any comments, leave in the comment section. Guys, and if you forget to mention, if you have the headlight on, please put it on so it could be hot and it can dry fastly. So don't forget to, this is a new idea for guys. If you have the headlight on, just put it on and it could dry nicely, guys, because the heat. Alright guys, catch you in the next one.